In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the stop light bulb on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. You don't need any tools for this and it's very easy. Open up the trunk. Now, once that the trunk is open, on the left side there you see that flap. So, grab that flap like that and just take it out. Now, that dark gray, that's the bulb holder for the stop light bulb. Just twist it left and out it comes. Now, once that is out, the way to get the bulb out is just press it down, twist it left, and out it comes. Simple as that. Go on and get the new bulb. Align the pins on the bulb with the slots on the bulb holder there. Put it in, push it down, twist it right, and you're done. Now, let's go ahead and put the bulb holder back in the tail light. And now, if you just try and put the bulb holder in there randomly, you're going to struggle with it. So the trick to doing it right is, you see where that wire is, see where it's positioned. Make sure that the bulb holder goes in that way and it will be quick. Like that, twist it right, and you're done. That's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and put this flap back on. Take your time with it. It's easy, but just takes a few seconds. Just do it as I'm doing it and you'll be okay. And that is pretty much it. See that? It was so easy.